Here we have this 70 plate BMW 330e M Sport. Comes with £6,500 worth of factory extras, all listed on their website. One to mention is the M Performance Kit. We've got the LED headlights with the black kidney grills in the centre. We've also got the splitter at the bottom in black, making this front end look nice and aggressive. We've got the front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera with an in-car visual display. 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels with the M Sport design caliper in blue behind. Side skirts across the bottom. Privacy glass at the rear for the passengers with the black trim around the outside. Colour-coded door handles and door mirrors with the colour-coded shark fin antenna. And we've also got the colour-coded spoiler on the tailgate. Onto the rear we've got the dual exit exhaust integrated into the diffuser with the parking sensors running across the centre of the bumper, 330e badging to the right hand side. Now this car does come free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So as we take a look at the rear interior, you'll be able to see we've got the all black leather with the grey stitching, isofix points and the armrest in the centre, and we've also got the M Sport stitching on the seat belts. Climate control for the passengers in the centre. Ambient lighting with the premium Harman Kardon sound system and the electric windows on the rear. Onto the front, we've got the same styling front seats, all black leather with the grey stitching. Both of these front seats are heated, and there is a look at those. Onto the door, we've got the electric side mirrors with the electric windows, child lock at the rear, premium Harman Kardon sound system and the ambient lighting as well. Automatic lights with the automatic wipers and the multi-functional steering wheel. Taking a seat inside, turning this vehicle on, my foot is on the brake, press the start button, and as you can see on the dashboard, we're free from any warning lights other than the fuel. Ahead of me we've got the heads-up display. It is flickering for the purpose of this video, does not happen in real life. Onto the steering wheel, we've got the cruise control and speed limiter with the paddle shift to the left hand side, and we've also got the volume button with the paddle shift on the right hand side. If you just press these three buttons there, you can see on the heads up display there that it comes up with the menu for the radio or the news. As we come back to the steering wheel, you can see we've got the BMW badging in the centre with the leather horn there. Onto the main screen, we've got the menu display here. So it is a touch screen, so we've got the menu, we've got the Bluetooth phone connectivity, nav, car and apps. So if we just press the phone there, that's the Bluetooth phone connectivity. Going back, you can also press the nav. We've got a nice display of the nav there, so if you just press the map, it comes up nice and big. We've also got the radio with the Bluetooth media on the Spotify and the Bluetooth audio. Back onto the menu, down to apps. This vehicle comes with Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. If you just pop into the car settings there, onto actual settings and go across to the interior lighting, you can see this vehicle has the ambient lighting and you can change the colour of it also. I've currently got it as purple, and as you can see it runs all the way across the dashboard and into the door as well. Now I'm just going to pop this car into reverse. You'll be able to see we've got the sensors on the right hand side, and we've also got the reverse camera with the guides on the left hand side. Popping it back into neutral, making this car safe. As we make our way down, we've got the dual climate control. We've got the heated seats on both sides, heated rear window, and we've also got the air conditioning there. We've got the wireless phone charging with the cup holders and the USB. Automatic gearbox with the different drive mode buttons. We've also got the traction control, and we've got the dial and the buttons for the screen there. If we just press these drive mode buttons, comes up on screen all the different modes in which this vehicle can be driven. Now that's all I'm going to show you guys today. For more information on this vehicle, you can head to the website or give our sales team a call. This car comes with a fresh service and a fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 330e M Sport. Now the purpose of this video is to show you that this car drives exactly how you would expect it to. You can see that we're not veering off to the left or veering off to the right, we're staying pretty true to the road. Throughout this video test drive you'll be able to hear that we are free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. On the multifunctional steering wheel in front of me, we've got the cruise control and speed limiter with a paddle shift to the left, and we've also got the volume button and the heads-up display menu to the right-hand side. This vehicle does come with the heads-up display, so as you're looking out of your window, you get to see the speed limit of the road and also the speed that you are doing. On the screen in the centre, we've got the satellite navigation with all the other functions which you'll have seen on the website. We've also got the intelligent safety, where we've got the lane departure and the front end collision, making this car a very safe vehicle to drive. We've also got the dual climate control with air conditioning, heated rear windows, and at this time of the year in December, nothing better than the heated seats. We've got the all black leather seats, which are very comfortable. You could probably do 300-400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling pretty fresh. We've got the cup holders with the wireless phone charging. We've also got the automatic gearbox with the different drive modes, the dial with the manual functions for the screen, and also the armrest with space underneath. Now I'm just going to take a right hand turn into the industrial estate where I'll perform an emergency stop. So as I take that right hand turn, and in 3, 2 and 1, onto the brakes, straight into reverse. You can see we've got the reverse camera and the sensors. Back into drive with no problems whatsoever. Now if you've got any unanswered queries or questions on this vehicle, then do not hesitate to contact the sales team here at RS Car Sales. But that's all from me today. Cheers.